Hope you're having a good day. My name is Manuel Rivera and I'm going to talk about a creative way to create a knitting machine. First of all, we have to understand which is the problem that we're facing. Well, the mass production and the different industrial food companies have ended with the small producers. This leads to a decrease in the small economy, leading only transnational industries to control the market. As an example of these companies is Bimbo, a bread producer and seller, which ended with small bread business. The materials for this industry are relatively cheap, but the machinery to produce it is expensive. So here are some existing products that you can see. Well, existing products as knitting machine founded in web pages are expensive due to the components and materials, since you can see that here 15,000 pesos and 18,000 pesos, which are a great big inversion for many of the small producers. So, which will be an alternative? First of all, we have to understand that in order to achieve a cheaper and efficient knitting machine, a control circuit system must be designed with it. It is needed to specify which kind of components will be the more suitable for this application. So here is a small circuit design where we have a 120 volts alternative current signal with 60 hertz frequency, a small 110 transformer, coil transformer, one amplifier which is an LM7041, and here we have two compators which are LM3100P. We have several resistors and diodes, but are not main important in this situation. The most important are the big components. So here we have four optocouplators, which are 4N25, and two drivers, which are IR882 and four IGBTs. These four are for the bridge that will regulate the speed in the motor. So after this, we have to make a close-up in the components, which are a small fan in order to use a small motor that it has, and since you can see it's extremely cheap in comparison to the others that we saw before. And we can see that we're using several components such as 4N25, LM7041, another LM311, IGBTs, and here is a small mold to use it in order to mold the mass. So after that, we can make a small comparison of the total cost of what will be the components of the control system and the circuit design, as it will be 780 pesos, more likely to be, plus the materials for the shell and spatula, which are seen in the complete or retail machines. But we can see that it's, even though we're considering this, it's extremely high, the difference, because even though this will be the half of this, it will be extremely efficient and more suitable for people who wants to get into the business. I hope this will be very helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for your attention.